Hello kids, today we are going to learn about Laundryman. Laundryman is a community helper who cleans our clothes and iron it. So today we are going to do a rhyme that will improve your listening skills and makes you learn follow instructions. Okay, so let's start with the rhyme. And do you know how the laundryman ironed the clothes? Like this. So let's start the rhyme. Oh look, here comes the laundryman, the laundryman, the laundryman. Oh look, here comes the laundryman, the laundryman, the laundryman, with her clean and fresh clothes. So once again, can you do it? So, oh look, here comes the laundryman, the laundryman, the laundryman. Oh look, here comes the laundryman, the laundryman, the laundryman, with her clean and fresh clothes.